Modeling with algebra, question 4. Well, let me remind you that in this set, we are taking examples related to age problems, right? So here in first three questions, you learned how to define a variable and how to represent a situation in the form of an expression. Now, in question 4 and now onwards, we will not only write the equation which represents the situation, but we will also try to find a solution. Finding solution means to find the value of the variable which represents or solves the problem. Okay, so that is how you have to see from now onwards. Okay, question 4. Let P represent Peter's age in years. Sam is 4 years older than Peter. Expression for Sam's age is, fill it up. Expression for sum of Peter's and Sam's ages, you should write it down, okay? If sum of their ages is 38, find Peter's age. Please write down the equation and try to solve it. You can stop the video at this moment and then look into my solution. That is the best way to understand and appreciate what is being done. Okay? So do that, follow that in the following videos also. That will greatly help you. Okay, here is my suggestion. Question 4. Let P represent Peter's age in years. In this statement, we are declaring the variables or we are defining the variables. It is a good practice to use variables which relate P for Peter, S for Sam, like that. Do you understand? Therefore, the variable here is P, which represents Peter's age in years. So take care of units, okay? Sam is 4 years older than Peter. 4 years more than Peter is Sam. Expression for Sam's age is. Now, so since Sam is 4 years elder, means 4 years more than Peter, Sam's age is P plus 4. Correct? Now, expression for sum of Peter's and Sam's age is. Now, Peter's age is P and Sam's is P plus 4. Sum means add them up. That means P plus 4. Correct? That is how you do. It is better to put them in brackets. Correct? So, if sum of their ages is 38, that means this is equal to 38. Find Peter's age. So first step here is to write the equation, right? And then find Peter's age means solve the equation. If sum of their ages is 38, it means P plus 4 equals to 38. So this equation represents this situation, correct? And find Peter's age means to solve equation or find the value of P that satisfies this equation. That is the meaning, okay? So let's solve it. To solve means to find the value of variable. So that is an algebraic equation with a variable P. So P plus 4 means 2P plus 4 equals to 38. So whenever you have an equation like this, combine the like terms, right? So we get P plus P is 2P. So let me write 2P plus 4 equals to 38. Now, we have to keep variables on one side and constants on other. So that is the technique of solving equation which you learned earlier. Apply that technique. So we'll write like this. 2P plus 4 minus 4 equals to 38 minus 4. Correct? So that gives you 2P equals to, so let me write here. 2P equals to 38 minus 4, which is 34. Correct? Now, earlier it was plus 4, so you took away 4. Now it is 2 times P. We want to find what P is, and therefore we'll divide by 2. So we'll get 2P divided by 2 equals to 34 divided by 2. 2p divided by 2 is p, right? So we get p equals to 34 divided by 2 is 17. So p is 17. Now since the question is about the age and age is represented in years, we have to write down our answer in years. Don't forget units, correct? The sum of their ages is 38. Find Peter's age. And therefore we say Peter's age is, so you have to write the complete statement. Peter's age is 17 years along with the units, okay? Peter's age is, don't forget to write Peter's age. I'm not writing it here, but you have to write. Peter's age is 17 years. So that is your solution, right? Now, next problem is kind of similar. You do all the steps yourself, find the answer, and then watch the video. That is going to help you a lot, okay? Thank you. I hope you enjoying this journey of modeling with algebra, okay? So we'll take more examples of similar kind. Thank you and all the best.